Today we will learn two exciting text effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. The first effect is called the fade in effect. I have created a text layer and now I will go to the effect control panels. Here I will search for a linear wipe and apply it twist to the layer. Next I will go to the effect control panel and you will see two linear wipe effect there. For the first one, I'll set the white angle to -80 degrees and the feather value to 700%. Then I'll enable the transaction completion keyframes and set its value to 100%. After moving a bit forward, I'll set the value back to 0%. Now you will see the text fade in effect. Next, I'll go to the second linear wipe effect and set the wipe angle to 80 degrees while keeping the feather value 700%. After that, I will enable the transition completion keyframes and set its value from 0 to 100%. Now if I play it, you will see both the fade in and fade out effect applied to the text. I'll save this effect as a preset so that we can use it in future project. I'll name the preset fade in 2025 and save it. The next effect we'll learn is the typewriting text effect. First, I'll go to the effect control panel and search for crop effect and apply it to the text layer. Then I'll go to the effect control panels, enable the right keyframes and set it value to 100%. After moving a bit forward, I'll set it to 0%. Now if I play it, you will see the typewriting effect applied. If you want to make it slower, you can extend the timing of the keyframes. To learn more amazing video editing tips and tricks like this, click out our previous videos. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos.